Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So let's just get right into this. You're going to need a lot of water for this ponytail, and if you have thick hair like me, you just want to make sure you rub that in and you work that water in there. Next, I'm going to take my Ampro Pro Styling Gel, and honestly, this gel is really good, but you have to use a lot of it, especially if your hair is thick. So I'm rubbing this in, I'm getting it in because I don't want no knots, I don't want no tangles, none of that. So use a lot of it, okay? So now I'm taking my tangle teaser and I'm really teasing my tangles. I'm pulling the gel in, I'm making my hair nice and smooth, and I'm really gonna repeat this step because I need my hair to be flat. So I really just have to keep going back and forth and adding gel and brushing my hair. So now I'm taking my Design Essentials Edge Control and I'm going to just glunk this on my edges because when I brush my hair, I need my edges to be laid. I need the top of my hair flat. So put this all around the hair, don't miss no spots. And then you want to take your hard brush. Everybody needs a hard brush, so if you don't got one of these hard brushes, get one. Because you're going to brush your hair into a nice sleek ponytail, but you need a hard brush. So I'm going to just keep brushing while my arms get tired. And with a good grip, and I mean a good grip, you're going to take a single black rubber band and you're just going to make a nice sleek bun. My bun could have been a little bit smaller, but my arms were tired and I was just over it. And just brush that up and make it look nice. So now you're going to take a silk scarf and you're going to lay down your hair because with a cotton scarf, it'll dry your hair out. So for hair, I'm using the Organic Master Mix. It is a Super Wave 3-piece set. It comes in 18, 20, and 22 inches. And I'm just going to wrap this around my ponytail. And I left the weft thick because I didn't want to have to cut it. So I'm just going to wrap and bobby pin it to secure it. So quick story. I did not buy this hair. I took it off my roommate's bed. And honestly, I was just so in love with the curl pattern, I had to take it. So, but it was only $20, so not bad. So I realized the ponytail was a little thin, so I did decide to cut weft and add it within the ponytail. Honestly, it should be the other way around, but again, my bun wasn't small enough, so I had to add more to at least try to cover it and make it look a little bit more natural. So to make my ponytail look a little bit more natural, I'm going to take my tangle teaser and just tease some of the curls out. You want to make sure that it's even. You don't have too many curls on one side compared to the other side. And I don't know, you know, I'm loving this ponytail. It's amazing. I should have did this a long time ago. So here is the final look. I am going to take some of my Design Essentials Edge Control and, you know, fix my edges a little bit. But I'm loving this look, and if you do like the final look, let me know. I will probably drop a video for it. But I want to say thank you for watching, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. And again, I will see you all soon.